Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the first unit because for the coming monthly test we having a portion unit number 1 only. Okay, the topic Introduction to Microsoft Access 2010. Okay, so in this topic what are the important topic is there that we are going to revise that. Okay, first, definitions of database and RDBMS. What is the meaning of database and RDBMS? Okay, what is meant by database? Database is refers to collections of related tables containing organized data. Okay, so which are the data is collection? It is a linked. Okay, it is a related. Okay, unrelated tables is not a database. For example, our school database we can take means bus details, student of the bus details, and students fees details, and classroom details, and class teacher details. These are the related of the student. Okay, so it is a database. Okay, if it is, I didn't take the any one of the table from the list. Okay, student table, fees collection table, and bus details, it is a one table, and another one patient is a different, it is a hospital table. Okay, it is not a school table. Okay, so it is a unrelated tables mean it is not a database. Okay, which are the tables are containing or together with the one related tables mean it is called as a database. Okay, so this is the collections of related tables is called what? Database. Okay, so what we are going to study means RDBMS. RDBMS. What is mean by RDBMS? R means related, relational database management system. Relational database management system. Okay, relation wise tables connections. Okay, all the tables are connected with the one condition. Okay, that is called as a relational database management system. Okay, so what are the benefits we having when you are using the RDBMS? Okay, we having many advantages is there. Okay, first one, redundancy of data redundancy. Okay, redundancy means it is a duplication, creating a duplication. The same name, if it is a repeated means we can reduce the duplication. Okay, for avoiding that duplication we need use the database. The first one, redundancy of the data redundancy. Redundancy means duplication. The next one, easy retrieval of the data. Okay, we can take from one information from the table means it is a very easy. Okay, the bunch of informations are is there in one places means we can take only particular data from the collection, from the collapsed information means it is a very difficult. Okay, it is a very difficult to take. So avoid that, we can sort out the list like our tables mean we can take easily. Okay, that table is called what? RDBMS database. Okay, that also very easy. Next one, easy sharing of data. Easy sharing of data from one place to another place. From this number to this number I need to share from the others. Okay, that also very easy. The next one, reduction of the data inconsistency. What is redundancy? I mean reductions of data inconsistency means we can reduce the irrelevant informations. Okay, irrelevant informations, that is called reduction of data inconsistency. The next one, security of data. We can save the information for the future. Okay, for the future, that also another one advantages of the RDBMS. The next one, easy manipulation. Manipulation means handling of data. Okay, handling of data, we can take from one table to and we can fetch to other table, and from take from there to another one table. That handling of data, that facility is also very easy. So these are the informations is called definitions of the database and RDBMS.